Welcome to my channel. Enjoy cooking with Al. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Today we're going to make another Filipino dish. As you can see, these are the ingredients we're going to use. Maluluto tayo ng Adobong Manok, or chicken adobo. I'm excited, guys. This is my sarap. Okay, guys, let's add our chicken in here nicely. All right, wonderful. Look at that nice chicken. Our soy sauce. Oh, look at that. Our black pepper, we want to season it nicely, get those flavors in there. You know me and my flavors. Cup of water. We're going to bring this to a boil for 5 minutes and cover it nicely. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's ready. We want to brown this up, but before we brown it, what we're going to do is cover it, and we're going to reserve the juice. Look at this. Just take all the juice out, because we cannot fry it with all this liquid. It's going to just pop and be really difficult. So we take the juice off, and we're going to put this to the side, because we're going to use this juice, and I'll show you exactly how. Alright, now we're going to pour some oil in here, because we're going to brown up our chicken. Okay? Now that we get this nice and hot. Oh, wonderful. In our non-stick pan, we're going to take our chicken, and we're going to brown it up nicely. You can hear that. That's just a little bit of it. Don't worry, real quickly. Wonderful. Let's just brown it up. We want to brown our chicken. Okay, guys, as you can see, there's many ways to make this wonderful dish. For example, you may want to keep some skin on. We took our skin off. Look at this beautiful color we still got. Okay? We're going to take this off and put it on the side. Okay? We're just going to take this and put it on the side nicely. I don't want the oil because we're going to use this oil to saute. So I want to hold on to that oil there. Okay? All right. I'm just going to... Yeah, this is beautiful. Look at that. Nice golden color. Nicely brown. Okay, put this aside. Let's put our pan back on the stove. Okay, now as you can see, using the same pan, we are going to saute our garlic. Get that all in there. All right. Onion. Yes. Okay, get all that in there. Wonderful. Ginger. Let's let that cook down and get all these flavors going. Oh yes, you can hear that. All right. Okay, look at this. This is just where we want it. Now we're going to add our tomatoes. Look at that. Cook them down. Wonderful. You get the nice flavors of the sweetness of the nice tomatoes coming out with the onion, the natural sweetness. Okay, this is wonderful. You see how this has become pasty, our tomatoes? That's what we want. Okay, let's add our brown chicken in. You remember this. Let's add it all in. Wonderful. Get that in there. Wonderful. Let's add our vinegar. That takes out the sharpness of the meat. All right. Let's add our chicken bouillon. All right. That'll break down later. Remember the juice we put to the side? Now we're going to add it. I told you we'd come back to this. Now we add this wonderful flavored juice. And now, don't forget, drop your bay leaf in there. We're going to cover it. And for 10 minutes at a medium temperature, we're going to come back. Okay, as you can see, wow, this smells delicious. 10 minutes is up. This is wonderful. This is what you want. Now, let's add our carrots. Let's get these carrots in here. Nice. Our potatoes. Look at these nice potatoes. Spread it nicely. And we're going to let this cook for another 10 minutes just submerge your carrots and potatoes in the liquid. That's gonna help cook it nice, make it nice and tender, until tender, okay? We want it to be nice and tender, okay? We're almost there, guys. This is delicious, okay? 10 minutes, we're gonna come on back. Look at that, that is delicious. Okay guys, this is wonderful. Adobong Manok. Look at this. Let's just give it a nice taste. Oh my gosh, this is delicious. Masarap. This is delicious. Wow. Guys, I'm telling you, there's so many ways to make it, but today you're gonna enjoy this way. Thanks guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button below, and I would love to hear from you. Feel free to leave your comments. Until next time. Wow, this is delicious.